Hey, this is Charles Freeman with Adapt First Investments, and I don't want you to be a frog. So you're probably wondering what I mean by don't be a frog. As most of you know, I'm an investment analyst, and I scour the market for hours each day, looking at research and news and charts, and trying to find the best opportunities for my client. Not only to help them in when I see investment opportunities, but to protect them when I think that the risks are very high for a market downturn. And over the last 18 months, there's been a lot of red flags that have come across my screens, and it's been pretty vocal that I've been pretty defensive. But there was an analogy this morning that I heard that I thought was very applicable, and it's the old fable of the frog sitting in the pot of water. And at first there's no heat, and the frog is sitting there enjoying himself. But as the heat gets turned up, he never jumps out because he doesn't realize that the water is starting to boil. And next thing you know, he's cooking. So that's kind of how I feel like the market is right now. There's been a lot of things that are out there that some have been in the news, such as the trade war, and people looking at their statements haven't necessarily seen a huge change in their portfolio values. And I think there's a lot of complacency in regards to acting on some of the information that's out there. And unfortunately, what I'm afraid is going to happen is that it'll be too late, and your portfolio is going to be cooking before anything is done about it. And at that point, it's going to be too late.